Bannerghatta National Park Safari. Please subscribe channel. Bannerghatta National Park. Eating the grass. His grass is eating is after the vomiting. It's digestion. It's tiger. ಹುಲ್ಲು ತಿಂದು ವಾಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಟೈಗರ್, ಅದರಿಂದ ಹುಲ್ಲು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ.